Hello guys and friends, this is me Mr. Faris is saying hi to you. I hope you are doing great at homes with your families. So take care, be aware and be safe. In the name of Allah the most gracious, the suspense of grace, praise be to Allah, the sustainer of and peace, blessing be to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, right prophets and messengers, his companions, his family and the people who in the path of the righteousness until the day of judgment. So today's lesson speaks about division fractions, and multiplication fractions. Division fractions and multiplication fractions. Okay, there are four steps we should follow to get the value of the fractions. For example, here when we are dealing with division fractions, we stable the first fraction. I mean, for example, a over b remain the same as a over b. A over b means stable the first fraction. Okay, the second point is change the signs into multiplication signs. Number 3, convert or change the second fraction from a over b into b over a. This is called converted fraction or a change fraction. After that, we multiply the numerators together and denominators together of the fractions, the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. Look, for example, here again, when we are dealing with division fractions, we should only stable the first fraction to put it as it is, and we change the second signs into multiplication signs, from division signs into multiplication signs, and then we change the second fraction. After that, multiply the numerators together and denominators together. Okay, look here, examples here. We have 4 over 2 divided by 1 over 3. It says stable the first fraction. Stable the first fractions means to put it as it is. 4 over 2, it will be 4 over 2, the same thing. He says change the signs into multiplication signs. We change it into multiplication signs. After that, number 3, it says change the second fraction or convert the second fraction. It will be from 1 over 3, it will be 3 over 1. The last one is multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. 4 multiply 3, it will be 12. 2 multiply 1, it will be 2. And 12 divided by 2, it will be 6. And the second example here, we have 6 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. Look, stable the first fraction as it is. Look at it as it is. 6 over 3. And change the signs into multiplication signs. Yes. After that, change the second fraction. Change it from 2 over 3, it will be 3 over 2. And then multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. 6 multiply 3, it will be 18. 3 multiply 2, it will be 6. 18 divided by 6, it will be 3. Look here, see, 2 1 over 3 divided by 3 2 over 3. As I said before, we multiply 3 by 2, it will be 6, plus 1, it will be 7. Here, 3 multiply 3, it will be 9. 9 plus 2, it will be 11. And then we stable the first fraction as it is here, and we change the signs into multiplication signs, and then we change the second fraction from 11 over 3, it will be 3 over 11, and then we'll multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. 7 multiply 3, it will be 21, and 3 multiply 11, it will be 33. This is the last answer. This is the last answer. Look here, and the last example is 4 divided by 2 over 5. As I said, any number is over 1. It will be 4 over 1 divided by 2 over 5 equal, as I said, we stable the first fraction. It will be 4 over 1. We change the signs into multiplication signs, and we change or convert the second fraction from 2 over 3 over 5 into 5 over 2. 5 over 2. And then we multiply 4 by 5, it will be 20. And 1 multiply 2, it will be 2. It will be 2. 20 divided by 2, it will be 10. It will be 10. It will be 10. And look here, also we have multiplication fractions. Multiplication fractions. Multiplication fraction is the easiest one, I think, in my point of view. Multiplication fractions is the easiest one, because when we are dealing with multiplication fractions, what should we do? We just multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. The top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. We don't care if the fraction is like or alike or mixed numbers or missing denominator, the thing. We don't care about this. We don't care. The only thing that we do, we multiply the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. For example here, 4 over 2 multiply 2 over 2. Yes, we multiply 4 by 2, it will be 8, and 2 by 2, it will be 4. 8 divided by 4, it will be 4. It will be 4. Here, 7 over 1 multiply 3 over 7. 7 multiply 3, it will be 21. And 1 multiply 7, it will be 7. 21 divided by 7, it will be 3. It will be 3. See, we have 8 multiply 2, multiply 2 over 2. 2 over 2. It will be, as I said, a number is over 1. It will be 8 over 1 multiply 2 over 2. We multiply this one together. 8 multiply 2, it will be 16, and 1 multiply 2, it will be 20. 16 divided by 2, it will be 8. This is the last answer. And look here, see, the last one, we have 2, 3 over 2, multiply 4, 2 over 1. Again, 2, 3 over 2, multiply 4, 2 over 1. 2 multiply 2, it will be 4, plus 3, it will be 7. It will be 7. 1 multiply 4, it will be 4. 4 plus 2, it will be 6. It will be 6. Look here, we multiply this one and this one together, and this one together. The bottom numbers together and the top numbers together. 7 multiply 6, it will be 42. 42. And 2 multiply 1, it will be 2. It will be 2. 42 divided by 2, it will be 21. It will be 21. Okay, these are the concept of doing multiplication fractions. So now we have here homework and exercises according to what we had. And the homework exercises all about additional fractions, subtraction fractions, and multiplication fractions. And what I want you to do this one in your own ways. After that, bring it back to me for correction.